Paris today, dreaming of skies so blue. You and I miles away, love making everything new. Strolling down streets of Rome, laughing in Spanish nights. Everywhere feels like home. With you it all feels so right. We've got the world in our hands. Every land is our own. Through the oceans and sands, together never alone. Whispers in Tokyo town, sunrise in Amsterdam. Life as we chase it down, tracing our names in the sand. Moments in postcards we send, echoes from flights gone by, dreams that we never end, in every corner of sky. We've got the world in our hands. Every land is our own. Through the oceans and sands, together never alone. Moments in postcards we send, echoes from flights gone by. Pack my bags, quick head out the door, chasing dreams, I'm craving more. Map in hand, no plan at all. Feel the pulse, hear the call. City lights, they beckon me across the seas to mystery. Footsteps blend with foreign sound, every step new ground I found. Around the world I'm traveling, new horizons unraveling, every heart a melody, the world and me in harmony. Mountains high and rivers wide, every journey side by side. Different faces welcome me in this world, we're all family. Desert sands and snowy peaks, every corner stories speak. From sunrise to clouds, it's time to go. Waves are calling white as snow. Footsteps on the golden sand. Take my heart in your hand. Skyline changes every night. City lights and stars so bright. Every mile a new refrain, leaving worries on the train. Oh, we're chasing dreams around the globe, with a map and tales untold. Every flight, new stories start. Wanderlust in my heart. From Paris streets to Tokyo bright. Northern lights in the starry night. Distant lands calling me near. Don't know where, but I feel no fear. Mountains high and valleys low. Every place we've yet to go. With you by my side each day. Adventure never fades away. Oh, we're chasing dreams around the globe, with a map and tales untold. Every flight, new stories start. Wanderlust in my heart. Oh, we're chasing dreams around the globe, with a map and tales untold. Every flight, new stories start. Wanderlust in my heart. Waking up, sunlight, morning breeze feels light. Lazy eyes but bright, coffee calling inside. Grinding being so slow, pour the water, go. Sipping it real slow, smiling as I know. Morning coffee, my delight. You make everything feel right. Morning coffee, warm and bright. You're my start to every fight. Steaming cup in hand, dreams of distant lands. Friends, they understand. Together we will stand. Laughter fills the room, chasing away the gloom. Add a dash of cream, living in a dream. Morning coffee, my delight. You make everything feel right. Morning coffee.